10:41 a.m. on Monday. I'm just watching GME here. I'm not trading it. And this is the pre-market high, which was 136. It sold off at the open and then curled and just went up really strongly up to the pre-market highs, broke through, got about another $3 and I guess $4 in total. And I think if it breaks this 140 level, it's really going to pop, because I would imagine that a lot of short sellers have their stops set at 140 or just above 140, because that's a psychological resistance. So I thought I'd just record it because this could be interesting and maybe somewhat historical. And I wasn't currently trading, so might as well give it a look. This formation of higher lows is encouraging for the price to go higher. Also, these candles, these hammers indicate lots of buyers still coming in, pushing the price way up. And the pre-market high is acting as pretty strong support. It did dip down below on these two candles, but you can see less and less each time. There's the bounce, and look at that. It just shot up over $2. That's all the short sellers getting squeezed out. And if you rewind back, I'm sure you're going to see tons of orders coming in here. I saw some in the 1,000 to 10,000 share range. I just saw 9,000 shares. And you can see all the red orders, which are the sell orders. They're much smaller share size. So my guess is from here, it's going to go up further. This is really just the beginning of a new move right here. Basically, the stock had to break out through the pre-market highs to show signs of strength, and then it had to use this price level from the pre-market high as support and not break it to show that it wants to go higher. There it goes. So then, it's possible that another number of shorts came in at the top of this candle and got squeezed out there. The range of these candles is pretty large. It's hard to get a feel for it because everything is kind of relative. But this is what, let me see, 143 to 138 to 143. So this is a $5 candle right here. There it goes again. Oh, that was interesting. I have to watch that back to see if that was a Weeble glitch or not on the chart. I don't think it was. I think just the high disappeared. So this is now like a 3-bar play that just happened. If you didn't get in it already, you missed it. Basically, this is the first bar. Here's the second bar. Stop loss down here, and then when this candle broke the high of this one, which essentially is 144, that would have been a great entry. Kind of gapped up past that, and let's see, what would 2R be there? 142.26 to 144. What is that? Like $1.75 is 1R. So that'd be 350. So if this thing went from 140 to about 147.50, 148, you got 2R, and it did. It went all the way up to 150, and it's climbing higher. So it's pretty amazing how this thing is running. I mean, GameStop, as far as I know, is kind of a fledgling company, so it's pretty impressive. Just checking out the news here. Backlash against short sellers. That's what I've been hearing too, so it's pretty crazy. Crazy stuff. It's like a tug of war happening within this stock. So that's a big sell-off there. Probably people were thinking that 160 is going to be a wall, and you know, taking profits. The people that got in on that run, I mean, that was a great move right there. Basically went up $20 right there, which is more than a 10% move even from this price. So now that this so it looks like it got suspended there. You know, broke right back through the pre-market highs. I would say that this thing is weak now, and there's going to be major sell-off after this. Will it return to make new highs? Who knows? But it's going to be a while, I believe. And now it's suspended. It's probably going to be halted for 5 minutes or so. I know it's been halted a few times today already because of the big sell-off at the open. Let me see what the gaps were. There we go. From 9:35 to 9:43. That's a weird halt time of about 8 minutes. That's really strange. So who knows how long it'll be out for here. Sometimes these things get halted and you don't see them return or resume until 2:30 in the afternoon or something like that. So pretty crazy. So it's suspended, and who knows what's going to happen next. Looks like a lot of people bought that dip. Pretty risky if you ask me, but I think a lot of gamblers are playing this stock. All right, guys, hopefully you found this interesting. I mean, look at that spread, $9.10, the bid-ask spread. Pretty crazy stuff.